Number 2, Vowel, Vibrancy. You have a conciliatory nature that makes you the best sort of friend to have. You are always trying to smooth over bad patches, and your friends come to you for well-taken advice and consolation. You can generally ease situations no matter how rocky the path seems to be. You are a friendly soul and love to do all the little things to make other people happy that so many of us don't think of. This is a trait that your friends treasure in you because it is touching to be remembered in these little ways. Peace and happiness for all is your motto, and you go out of your way to bring this philosophy to the stage of reality. Sometimes this may take its toll on your nerves, but you prefer that to unpleasantness. Cooperation is another marvelous trait that will aid you throughout life. There is not much that you want to do to be helpful in any way. This usually allows you to be pliable enough not to require much persuasion in any direction. Of course, you have to exercise caution in this regard because you will not want to be led astray, which would not be too difficult. A soft plea with a tear or winning smile will win you over every time. Always diplomatic and tactful, you rarely say the wrong thing. What a wonderful asset for any position or marriage. It can never be said that you were the instigator in any disagreement. Even if you know you are right and the other is wrong, you won't fight for your point. You are always on your toes, constantly aware and alert, so little gets by you if you don't wish it to. You generally analyze everything carefully and then try to point out most tactfully where the faults lie, whether it's in marriage, personal relationships, or business. Being tardy for anything is just not in your book. You are consistently on time and steady in your relationships. It's not surprising that everyone relies heavily upon you. Wisdom and kindness are two more of the facts that keep your popularity rating at a high point. This, coupled with your desire for peace and your analytical mind and diplomacy, makes you an excellent judge of character. Surface hostility doesn't throw you off, as you know well enough that people are often hostile out of a sense of fear, and you feel great sympathy for them and make every effort to get them to unwind. All things beautiful, music, art, and fashion put you in a peaceful, joyful mood. One day you would enjoy an art show or play, and the next a simple day in the country. Things mystical also interest you and may be explored if the mood comes upon you.